Your car is missing something, and you don't even know it yet. Today, we're looking at some of the absolute coolest car gadgets that will completely upgrade your driving experience. Want to check them out? Every single item shown in this video is linked right now in the description below. Let's get into it. This thing is actually insane if you love off-roading or road trips. It's a smart GPS speedometer that gives your dashboard a futuristic fighter jet cockpit look. It uses built-in satellite tracking to show your exact speed, altitude, and coordinates in real time. But the coolest part? It tracks your truck's tilt and slope angles. If you push it too hard on a steep hill, it instantly alerts you before things get sketchy. It's easily the coolest way to upgrade your ride and stay safe out there. Road trips are about to get a whole lot better, especially for anyone sitting in the back. This is a massive 17-inch flip-down screen that literally turns your SUV, van, or RV into a rolling movie theater. It drops down from the roof and delivers crisp, full high-definition video to the entire back seat. What makes it awesome is the built-in HDMI port. You can plug in your phone, a Fire Stick, or even a gaming console to play video games right on the ceiling. It's easily the ultimate way to keep everyone quiet and entertained for hours. This solves a problem you didn't know you had, especially if your car doesn't have a smart screen. It's a massive 12-inch touchscreen that straps right over your old rearview mirror, instantly adding Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to your ride. But it gets cooler. It's a dual dash cam, recording in crystal clear 2.5K. The backup camera even has a crazy 3x zoom to catch license plates with absolute clarity. It's probably the easiest way to give your dashboard a complete high-tech upgrade. You don't need to spend thousands on a brand new car just to get modern wireless audio. This tiny gadget plugs right into your old aux port and instantly upgrades your ride with lightning-fast Bluetooth. It streams crisp music from your phone and adds hands-free calling with noise cancellation to block out highway sounds. Unlike the cheap ones, it features a built-in LED screen that actually shows your exact battery life. It's probably the easiest way to modernize an older dashboard on a budget. This bottle is actually insane if you want that professional ceramic shine without paying hundreds of dollars. It's a 3-in-1 waterless wash, wax, and nano ceramic coating that bonds directly to your paint in under 10 minutes. You literally just spray it on and wipe it off. It cuts through dirt instantly and leaves an ultra smooth, hydrophobic layer. Water beads right off, mud won't stick, and the deep showroom shine lasts for months. It's probably the easiest way to keep your ride looking brand new with zero effort. Most car phone mounts are complete trash that wobble and drop your phone on every single bump. This carbon fiber mount features a bendable alloy arm that you can twist into any crazy angle. It uses 24 massive magnets to lock your phone in place, so it won't budge on rough roads. The industrial nanogel suction cup grips your dashboard so hard it can literally hold over 100 pounds. It's easily the most secure way to snap your phone on or off in exactly 1 second. This solves a problem you didn't know you had, especially during tight parallel parking. It's a steering wheel knob that rotates a full 360 degrees on smooth metal bearings. It locks onto your wheel, letting you make sharp U-turns effortlessly with just one hand. It completely takes the strain off your wrists during long drives. It's easily the most satisfying budget upgrade for a smoother ride. Stop getting ripped off by car mechanics and take complete control of your vehicle. This wireless scanner features an 8-inch touchscreen that connects via Wi-Fi from up to 100 feet away. Instead of cryptic error codes, it uses built-in AI to translate problems into plain English with step-by-step fix instructions. You can even send commands directly from the tablet to test parts like windows or fuel pumps yourself. It's probably the easiest way to clear your check engine light and save thousands on repairs. Trying to work or eat inside your car is usually a total nightmare. This foldable desk snaps directly onto your steering wheel to create a rock-solid workstation in 5 seconds. It features 5 height adjustments, so you can type on your laptop or watch a movie without hurting your neck. Flip it over and it instantly transforms into a stable stand for your lap. When you're done, it folds completely flat to slide into your seat pocket. It's probably the easiest way to turn your driver's seat into a mobile office. Changing lanes in heavy traffic is terrifying when you can't see what's right next to you. These carbon fiber blind spot mirrors stick right onto your side mirrors to instantly double your field of view. They feature high-definition glass with a rotating base, letting you adjust the angle perfectly to eliminate every dangerous hidden spot. They even have a waterproof anti-fog coating for absolute clarity during heavy rain. It's probably the easiest way to keep yourself from cutting someone off on the highway. Road trips can turn into an absolute war zone when everyone's phone dies at the same time. This charger packs 6 separate ports and a 5-foot extension cable, so the back seat can plug in without a fight. It delivers massive fast charging power, blasting an iPad to 50% in 30 minutes. It's easily the best way to keep the peace on long drives. If you want your ride to look absolutely terrifying at the next car meet, you need to check these out. These universal LED pods add animated demon eyes surrounded by a bright circular halo directly to your headlights. You get a wireless remote to switch between 6 different aggressive blinking patterns and a full loop mode that constantly changes on the fly. They are fully waterproof, dustproof, and designed to plug straight into any 12-volt car or motorcycle setup. It's definitely the wildest way to completely transform the front of your vehicle and turn heads everywhere you drive. Trying to fix your car in the dark while holding a flashlight between your teeth is a total joke. This modular work light splits apart into 2 completely independent handheld wands. It pumps out 2,400 lumens and features strong magnets with hidden hooks on both ends. You can snap them together across your hood or stick them under your wheel well for perfect coverage. It's rubber armored, rechargeable, and fully waterproof against sudden rain. It's probably the easiest way to turn your dark engine bay into a bright garage workshop. Squinting at an outdated dashboard speedo while driving is a disaster waiting to happen. This oversized digital display plugs into any car to project a massive, crisp readout right into your line of sight. It updates instantly using a high-performance GPS chip to show your exact speed and direction without any lag. The screen automatically adjusts its own brightness for blazing sunlight, and it even beeps to warn you if you start speeding. It's probably the easiest way to add a high-tech dashboard to an older vehicle. Backing up a massive trailer or RV completely blind is an absolute nightmare. This backup camera requires 0 drilling and 0 wiring. It features a heavy-duty magnetic base that snaps instantly onto any metal surface, sending a crystal clear 1080p video feed to a 7-inch dashboard monitor over 300 feet away. It packs a giant battery that recharges itself using built-in solar panels while you drive, and it even has infrared night vision for hitching up in total darkness. It's probably the easiest way to add a wireless backup camera to any truck or trailer in under 3 minutes. Crawling under your car with a flimsy jack is an easy way to end up in the emergency room. These heavy-duty steel ramps feature hydraulic pumps that lift over 11,000 pounds. Just drive up the low incline, pump the pedal to raise your car 13 inches, and drop the safety pins in. It gives you a rock-solid, massive workspace for hassle-free oil changes. It's probably the safest way to work under your truck without worrying about a jack failing. All the product links are in the description below. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.